If you are getting a P0054 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the HO2S app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0054. It means the heated oxygen sensor resistance is out of range on engine bank 1 and the sensor downstream. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the heated oxygen sensor. This heated oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 2 is usually the downstream sensor behind the converter. Visually check the heated oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the heated oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix the P0054 error code. After the repair, you can now use the HO2S app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.